All right, so for the first time since March 18th, our kids are in school, which means we have a Friday off. Lunch at an airport on an IFR day. But first, I clean the plane. Hit that B-roll.
Gwinnett County Airport. Automated weather observation 1440 Zulu. Wind variable at 3 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000.
Direct Harris, Hotel Romeo Sierra, Victor 463 to Womack. That's a Whiskey Oscar Mike Alpha Charlie direct. Maintain 7,000.
732 Charlie Hotel, once reaching 4,500, clear direct Harris. Victor 463 Womack. Climb maintain 7,000, 732 Charlie Hotel.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, read back correct.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, clear direct destination Lima Zulu uniform and climb and maintain 8,200.
Direct destination, climb maintain 8,200, 2 Charlie Hotel.
And 2 Charlie Hotel, contact Atlanta Center 134.8.
Atlanta Center 134.8. Have a good one.
Good day.
You said I had to stay awake to talk to you and you're not even talking,
1566 Atlanta
well, it's a little bit task intensive at the beginning.
Well, then I'm going to sleep.
Well, no, because I'm still like getting video of myself and stuff, and I know you'll just be like with your mouth open.
No, that is
and
not.
then I can't use it.
Between the two of us, I am not the one that opens my mouth.
But I'm not going to be sleeping on this flight. We're no longer going to be between layers.
I know. Ooh. What kind of trip did you bring me on?
There's no way we're getting on top. Atlanta Center, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel, level 8,000, and it looks like I'm going to need to deviate for some buildups in front of me.
732 Charlie Hotel, Atlanta approach, altitude altimeter 29908, would you like a turn to the right?
A turn to the right works perfectly, 2 Charlie Hotel.
2 Charlie Hotel, turn right, heading 220, descend and maintain 6,000.
220 down to 6,000, 732 Charlie Hotel.
732 Charlie Hotel, Atlanta approach, expect the RNAV runway 7. When able, fly heading 180 and advise.
Approach Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, I can go heading 180.
Number 2 Charlie Hotel, roger that, fly heading 180.
180, 732 Charlie Hotel.
Whoa, I can totally understand how you become, in like a solid sheet of white, how you become disoriented.
Yeah, for sure.
It feels like we're turning, but it felt like we're just going straight ahead.
Yeah.
And to be honest, I wouldn't know if we were going up or down right now if I didn't look at the altitude.
November 732 Charlie Hotel, 4 miles from Kirat, turn left heading 100, maintain 3,000, full service on approach course, cleared RNAV, runway 7 approach.
Left 100, maintain 3,000 until established, cleared RNAV 7 into Gwinnett County, 2 Charlie Hotel. And Tower Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel RNAV 07.
732 Charlie Hotel, Gwinnett Tower. Can I get a base for the cloud open, please? Runway 7, clear to land.
Clear to land 7, we'll give you a report on the basis, 2 Charlie Hotel. $2,000 for 1520.
Are you just telling me that?
No, making my calls for myself. Tower base is about 1600. Boom. There we are. Runway's right where it should be, babe.
Wow.
You like that?
Yeah, now I'm gonna close my eyes, okay?
Alright, gas, undercarriage, mixture prop. We got a wheel here, we got wheels over there.
Got wheels.
Charlie Hotel, say parking.
I'd like to head to the restaurant, 2 Charlie Hotel.
Charlie Hotel, turn right when able, taxi to RNAV, whiskey, monitor ground, good day.
Right when able on whiskey, monitor ground, 2 Charlie Hotel.
I did not understand any of that. Glad you did.
Alright, so what did you just say when you married me?
I said when we started dating.
Yeah, when we started dating.
When we were 18, I had no idea the amount of adventures that you would take me on.
We woke up this morning and it was a completely overcast day and no kids, so I was like, I'm flying today for certain. Let's find a restaurant on an airport. So we found this. They don't require masks because we forgot ours. Remembered everything else,
Thank
but
goodness.
no masks. So check out that Mustang back there. That's beautiful. Seriously beautiful as well. All right, let's grab some lunch.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
So check this out. There's that lady right there. Okay, so we have that lady at the bar. Tell us about her. She's scantily clad.
Okay, so we walk into this restaurant and this lady's sitting over here at a bar with a mask on.
Back there.
And it looks like she's been in some promiscuous activity.
Definitely.
And we keep getting closer and closer. And we're about 3 feet away before we realize that she's a mannequin.
A mannequin. Yeah. Okay, so normally I don't bring a video camera in the bathroom, but it's clear. I checked. Not only do we have the lady of the night out there in the bathroom, that's the first thing that greets you. And she has a tramp stamp. This place is awesome.
Really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high.
Yeah, maintain 140.
So, thus far, let's recap what you've done on this channel. You have, like, basically vomited yourself whenever I had to use the travel john. It was so disgusting.
That's so gross, though. I mean, just...
You rolled your eyes out of your head whenever I just reached across to take a picture. And now you're saying I'm an absentee father is basically what I'm hearing.
Wait, you started all this. You're the one that said you do just as much at the beginning.
I stand by that statement.
You're the one that started that.
RNAV altitude.
Nashville,
Oh, the IFR flight to Nashville, I edited out the whole part of you in the back mimicking me. You accused me of cheating on the very last video that you were in.
Oh, on the card game.
Yeah. I forgot about that insult.
I think
Good video too.
Okay, we need to explain something on this channel because the way that, like, we're usually in the plane for maybe an hour tops.
Yep.
So the way that I come across sometimes is inconsiderate or not. The way that it's edited and the very short amount of time that we have in this plane, I just want people to know everything. 95% of the stuff is sarcasm because that's us. That's how we are. We're sarcastic.
It is very sarcastic. No, Jennifer's nice to me.
Most of the time.
Like a good 52% of the time, so it is a majority. It is a majority. Oh, I mean, we've made it 16 years. Wait, no.
20 together.
20 together and
16, almost 17.
Yeah, 16 years.
16, yes.
So at this point, I mean, what else are we gonna do? Might as well just stick it out.
Whatever.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Number 2 Charlie Hotel, cross South 6000, cleared, RNAV, runway 3 approaching, remember.
Cross Albany 6000, cleared RNAV 02, McMinn, 732 Charlie Hotel.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
How about
Every day.
the first time in literally half a year, April, May, June, July, August, okay, so 5 months, we are without kids, and now all we're talking about
Is the kid.
are our kids.
That's parenting. That's what you do.